So today we are going to be unboxing this. Oh my God! It's huge. So let's get into it because it's heavy. Hi guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I am super duper excited to open up that big hefty box. Okay, it's heavy, there's a lot of stuff in there and I can't wait to get inside. Quick backstory. So, do you guys remember when I made these shoes? Remember these? I did them, in January, and these are the ones that I got from Koi Footwear, and I completely redesigned them. I added on 3D sprinkles and 3D chocolate dripping, and I actually used the same 3D paint to colour in my resin to make my gummy bear charms and to make my chocolate charms on the back, right? Fabulous. Now, the company who I used for the 3D element of these shoes, they saw my video, and it's safe to say that they were a little bit impressed. Which brings me to this big hefty box. Ugh. It's a lot, man. It's a lot. So the brand is called Tulip Color Crafts, and basically I decided to tag them on Instagram in my post about my shoes. When they saw that and then they saw my video, they got into my DMs and they were like, girl. And I was like, girl. And they were like, girl, we want to send you some stuff because you're so good. And I'm like, ah! Thank you so much. It went something like that. So anyway, I had a little look on their website, and it's safe to say that their range has definitely enlarged. Is that a word? Enlarged? It's grown massively since I last, looked for their 3D paints. And yeah, I was really impressed. So I just sent them a whole list of different things that I liked, and they picked from that list. I have no idea what's in this box because I can't quite remember what I liked. I just know there was a lot of colour and I get excited by colour. So we're going to open up this box today, see what's inside, and then have a little think about what kind of crafts that you would like to see me do on this channel. Okay, let's get that off. Now, I'd already slit it open earlier because I needed to see who it was from, but as soon as I saw a little bit of colour, I was like, oh, I know who it is. Okay, let's close the box. So I haven't even taken out this stuff here. We call this play air in my house. My son will love this. I hadn't even taken out any of that because I just didn't want any spoilers. Okay, so this feels like a packet of crisps. First thing I'm going to pull out is... Oh, these are the socks. Okay, so they have a lot of tie-dye stuff on their site, and I've never done tie-dye before, okay? Yes, I know. 33 years old, never done tie-dye. I know. They've got these socks, and look, they've got the cute little paw prints on them. They sent me different ones. Let me check. I don't know if they're all paw prints or if they're different ones. Oh yes, they are. Okay, that's great. So they sent me a pack of 3 pairs of paw print socks, and I know you can't really see the paw prints right now, but I don't know, can you see that? They're kind of very faint on the socks, because when you tie-dye them, then you'll actually see them come up like this. Okay, so this might be a good project to do as a starter. Maybe that's why they sent me 3, so in case I mess up, then I can always try again. So that's definitely a possibility. Okay, what's the next thing? This feels massive. Okay, we'll leave that for a second. What's this? What's this? Is this paint? Ooh. Oh. That's gorgeous. Okay, we have brush on fabric paint, but it's glitter. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I've got some jackets that are just dying to be jazzed up with that. That's lush. Look at that iridescent one. You know I love me some iridescence, right? Look at this. Oh my God. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I've waited a little while to open up this box. Okay, what are you? Ooh, twisters. Okay, so this one is 2 different colors inside each bottle. So you kind of never know what you're gonna get really. That's gonna be pretty cool, pretty interesting. So it's got some ideas here on the back of things that you can do. You can just draw with it, or you can just add some dots, some embellishments. You can do writing with it, whatever you want. And then as you're doing it, the colors will change. That's super cool. I think actually my son would love this as well. I need to hide these from him because he'll just go crazy with it. Okay, this is something else that's quite small. Let's pull you out. What are you? Oh, fabric markers. Fabulous. Dual tip neon fabric markers. Great. Let me check out the actual nib on those. Woo! Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. Oh, actually, I don't have to do that because there's a picture right here. So we have a fine nib and we have a chiseled nib as well. So that's good. Can you guys see that? Is that showing up? There we go. A fine nib on one side and a chiseled nib on the other. Brilliant. They look lovely and bright. Oh, I can't wait to try these out. Woo, child. Okay, this feels like it's more 3D paint. Oh, okay. This is the iridescent pack. I didn't even know that they did an iridescent pack. Okay. Look at this. How beautiful is this? I remember seeing this on the website and being like, girl, girl, I need this in my life. Look at these. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. They are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait for the weekend to begin. Mind you, I don't even know when it's the weekend. Actually, is it the weekend? It's Saturday today, I think. I don't know. All the days roll into one for me. What are you? Oh, fabulous. So we've got the Puffy Paint now. So their 3D paints are generally, clues in the name, 3D. But this one I think is going to be more on the puffy side. So that's pretty cool. That is awesome. Look at those lovely, gorgeous, bright rainbow colors. Fabulous. And this can go on jeans, t-shirts, tennis shoes, backpacks, jackets, sweatshirts, lamps, jewelry, purses, frames, pillows, and more. Fabulous. So what you need to do is hold the iron above the paint, and with the steam, don't press onto the paint, just hold it above it. The steam is what will puff it up. It will give it a really kind of like bubbly feel. Fabulous. Oh my gosh. So many lovely things. Thank you so much, Tulip Colour Crafts. Right. This feels like more 3D paint to me. Fabulous. So we have the matte set. These ones are just like your more sort of primary colours. Because I know that I am all about pastel rainbow, but I do need to have primary colours as well. So we've got just like your red, yellow, green, blue, black, and your white. Fabulous. I know I said fabulous so many times because it is. This is, oh my God. It's so fabulous. It's sliding off of the bed. Like, I am just like, I'm in awe. I'm in awe of the amount of things that are still in this box. What is this? More glitter. Oh my gosh. We've got more glitter dimensional paints. Look at those. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. I hope that you guys have got your thinking caps on, you know, because like I'm gonna need some ideas for what to do with all of these crafts. Okay, is that it for that side? I think so. Oh, hang on. Oh my goodness, what is this? Is this dye? No, it's not. Ooh, brown chocolate marron. Now this is what I used on my shoes for the dripping. Fabulous. You know I love me some chocolate sauce. Okay, I'm all about that chocolate. So yeah, I can see myself doing lots of like sweetie themed crafts. So I'm gonna need me some chocolate. Fabulous. I think that the word of the video is fabulous, definitely. I can't help it. It's exciting. What is it? Oh, So this is the iridescent glitter, but I've got a pack of 3 for this as well. Brilliant. Brilliant. Because let's just face it, I'm a glitterholic, okay? I'm a glitterholic, I'm a wigaholic, craftaholic, pashinaholic, I'm everything. Right, I think this is the last thing. Is this the last thing? I'm feeling around the box. Yes, this is the last thing. It's the biggest thing, and I've saved it till last. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's a one-step tie-dye kit. I can't mess this up. I can't. Surely I can't mess up a one-step tie-dye kit. Okay, one-step tie-dye kit, tie-dye party. Dyes up to 36 projects. Okay. So you just add water. That's all you gotta do. You just add water. Let me quickly open this up. Box that it comes in, by the way, with a little handle and everything. That's really cool. Can't get it open though. You can't mess this up. Oh, because there's sellotape. Oh. Oh, right. Oh, there we go. Okay, so. Okay, I see. So you have a tiny little bit of dye in there, and then you just add water, and I guess you just sort of shake it up. There you go. Fill to line with water and shake until dissolved. You can do this, Ayesha. You can do this. You've got this. I haven't got this. Oh my god. Okay, so but we've got instructions here and everything, and lots of rubber bands that I'll clearly be needing. So I need to, I think I definitely want to start with the socks, and they have given me 3 pairs of these just in case I mess up. So yes, if you have got any tips for me when it comes to tie dyeing, please, even if you think it's the most basic thing, please give me some tips in the comment section below, because your girl's gonna need it. Okay, your girl is going to need it. Wow. You get 4, 8, oh, you get 4, 8, 12, 16, 18 colors there. Is that right? 4, 8, 12, 16, 18. Right, so you get 18 colors in there. Let me just show you so you can see all the beautiful colors that you get. Wow, and judging from this picture, it's just going to be so nice and vibrant. I can't wait. I'm very excited about this. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, instructions on the back here. Bind, dye, reveal. That's it. That's all it is. That's all it is. Why am I nervous? I don't know. But anyway, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Very excited. So massive thank you to Tulip Colour for sending me this humongous package that I was not expecting. I didn't expect it to be this much. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try out everything that you have sent me. Yeah, bring on all the dessert themed crafts. Bring on the tie-dye. And yeah, bring on me probably making a mess. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what crafts that you would like to see me do with all of these products. If you enjoyed this video and can't wait to see what I make with all of these, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.